Hey everyone, welcome back. This is part 2 of forging an awesome curved railing. Today Jared and I have been working on jigging this piece into place. We just wanted to bring you in and show you what's going on. We appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for joining us.
These curved panels are the same ones that you saw us make in the field in part 1. We begin by lifting them up with a 2-ton bridge crane and weld them into place.
These mock-ups of the bottom. Now, as I said earlier, these get a very sculptural ending on the end. We were mocking that up earlier with this gas pipe. It's really nice because it's bright, high vis, and it gives you an idea of what the line will look like. Then we'll go back with the iron and fit to that. But the ending will be similar to that, need some minor tweaks. But it's really cool to see this fit up. The next part will be drawing up the design in full scale to fit in both sides, and then we'll begin filling this in with the scroll work.
So here I'm drawing out the pattern for the scroll work in place, full size. I love to do this to visualize exactly how the final product's gonna look. Well, it's that time of the project where it's time to crank up the forge and get rolling on forging out the scroll work. Guys here are hammering out the flared ends of the scroll. And on a hot day in the forge, everyone loves a quick walk down to the creek to cool down. None better than our boy Chester, seen playing here, and our other lab, Gracie.
What'd you find, Chad? What'd you get, bud?
Think this. Alrighty everyone, thanks again for joining us on part 2 of forging a beautiful curved railing. If you like this video, then please give it a like, give us a shout out in the comments below, and we appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. Thanks again.